Hi guys, welcome back. Today was a very beautiful expiry, and as I have made a video yesterday, my mindset was very clear that market doesn't look very positive. Overnight it opened gap up, and then the market could not sustain it after that. So the question that I'm going to ask today is whether you should trade in Bank Nifty or not. One of the most volatile instrument in Indian stock market is Bank Nifty. So I have a few points for you to remember, right? Why you should trade in Bank Nifty and why you should not trade in Bank Nifty. So the first point why you should trade in Bank Nifty is that it is very liquid, right? When I say it's very liquid, let me show you on the screen, right? Before I take you to the screen, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro. You can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Telegram, you can follow me on YouTube. On Twitter, I'm super active since morning, right? So now let's come to the screen. I'm going to show you Zerodha's platform, and I'm going to show you how is the Bank Nifty options, right? Let me take you here. Just see, this is all the options that have expired today, right? These are all the options that have expired today. Huge amount of, you can see the volumes are huge, right? Huge volumes have been traded. 18 crores, 95 lakhs, 45,624, right? That's the volume in 36,000 call. Have a look at the volume here. 10 lakhs, 88,000, 36,657, right? Now, similarly, if you check some other instrument, right? If you check NTPC, where the lot size is huge, it's about 11,400. Look at the volumes, it's 1 crore 69 lakh 91,700. It's still quite a good volume. But let's look into the volumes of Voltas. You can notice here that the volumes are only 35,500, right? Voltas May PE, right? Similarly, if I look into the call option, the volumes are 3,64,000, right? So I hope you can understand that Bank Nifty is one of the most liquid contracts that our exchanges have, right? And the second most liquid contract after that is Nifty, right? But remember one thing, because Nifty and Bank Nifty both are very volatile, particularly Bank Nifty is very volatile. You need to be very skillful. You need to be able to read the data. You need to understand what is happening in the market moment by moment basis. You can't skip a moment. That's the thing with Bank Nifty. Now, how I traded today, I saw, how Dow has given a good fall, right? After yesterday's movement in the upper direction, Dow has given a good fall, right? It got stagnant for some time, and then when it couldn't cross 34,000, I was pretty much sure that Dow may be in a mood to come down, right? So this is the resistance that Dow faced, and after that Dow started falling down, right? Now, what I have done, I have also got all main components of Bank Nifty here. So I was pretty much concerned about today because Kotak Bank has produced very good results. They have really reported a good quarter. So that means if Kotak will give a breakout, the Bank Nifty will give a breakout, isn't it? It was very logical because both of them kind of move in tandem. But since morning, if you notice what was happening, IndusInd Bank, it opened little gap up, but it continued. It couldn't maintain this, upward gap, and it kept on falling the entire day. After that, if you look into the Kotak Bank, it gave a good gap up opening, then went horizontal, then slightly tried to move up and couldn't maintain this and again fell. Same goes with Axis Bank. It opened slightly gap up, went up slightly little bit up, and then started falling down, right? And all of this added to the Bank Nifty's fall. This is how ICICI Bank has also given a similar kind of a breakout. First it went up, got exhausted, upward movement got exhausted, and then ICICI Bank gave a good fall. So here comes the second point. Why should you trade in Bank Nifty, right? So I will just tell you, just track the heavyweights of Bank Nifty. Let me show you who are the Bank Nifty's heavyweights. So what I want to show you here, this is the latest list of Bank Nifty's stock weightages. So HDFC Bank has about 28.49%. ICICI Bank is an extremely heavyweight, 22.45%. Axis Bank is 11.59. Kotak Bank is 11.39. State Bank of India is 11%, then IndusInd Bank is about 5%, and then rest if you ignore, it's fine, right? So that is what I have exactly done, except HDFC, because I have felt, let me just put HDFC here so that we can see HDFC Bank. So see, this is how HDFC Bank performed today. Open slightly gap up and open equal to high, right? Open equal to high. The high could not be broken, right? It tried to break the high many times, but it could not be broken, right? And after that, it gave up and gave a good fall along with Bank Nifty. So now again, as I told you, we will go through the Bank Nifty's heavyweight. You just need HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, and State Bank of India along with IndusInd Bank, right? So about 6 of these stocks and Bank Nifty and Nifty, if you put it one place, you will be able to watch entire movement of Bank Nifty at one place, right? Which is a very, very promising thing. Hope you understand. In Nifty 50, there are 50 constituents. In Bank Nifty, there are about 12 constituents, and some of them are actually contributing very, very less. The movement cannot really move Bank Nifty. So if you put these 6 stocks on your radar, like the way I have put over here, you will be able to continuously monitor it and you will be able to decipher what direction Bank Nifty is going to take, right? And of course, we have some very, very refined method, and I knew for a fact that Bank Nifty will give a good fall after crossing this place, right? This was a place after which I knew Bank Nifty is going to be in a free fall. Below 35,700, we knew that Bank Nifty is going to be in a big fall. So again, that is another second point. So first point is it's very liquid. Bank Nifty options are very liquid. When I say Bank Nifty options are very, very liquid, what are the advantages? You can enter and exit in the market order, right? You can enter and exit at market order. Whereas in any other options, you cannot enter or you cannot exit with market order. That's a very, very big benefit, right? I have traded a lot of Bank Nifty today, and in every, see here, this is because this was a contra trade that I have taken. I've sold NTPC call and I bought, so you see a negative out here. Then I have bought Bank Nifty, right? This was again entering at the market order and exiting at the market order. Then I had some, this is a contra trade that I created, and I sold this Bank Nifty options. I believe this is the one I sold out here, and these are the options that I bought today, right? And all on the market order, right? So the biggest advantage that you get with Bank Nifty, that you can execute your option orders in the as market orders. Now ये दो advantages हो गए. Now the third advantage, right? I told you that you can put all the instruments at one place and watch them together. This is again a very, very big advantage, and a huge volumes are traded into Bank Nifty. Now the third thing, there is a disadvantage of Bank Nifty because it is extremely volatile. You have to be very, very skillful, right? You have to watch Dow Jones. As I told you, what is the movement of Dow Jones? You have to see the option chain, right? This is Bank Nifty's today's option chain, 5th of May. See, there is huge unwinding happened at 36,000. All the levels you see, the unwinding happened, right? Call unwinding happened, put unwinding happened at the level of 35,500, right? Whenever put unwinding took place at 36,000, put unwinding took place at 35,500, means Bank Nifty will definitely close below 35,500. Where did Bank Nifty close today? It closed at 35,165. So the data in the live market is extremely important. You should be able to decipher what is happening in Bank Nifty. So a lot of skills are needed, but at the same time, it's the most rewarding instrument that you can trade into. So keep learning slowly, gradually about Bank Nifty, trade in small quantities, but journey may be long, but it's a sure shot journey that you'll keep moving every day towards your destination. And I'm sure you will be able to be successful definitely sometime or the other. So keep learning and keep earning. So I've told you advantages, I have told you disadvantage. Because it's very, very volatile, you need to be skillful. You need to be skillful to be able to generate money from the Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty options, right? So best way is to option sell, right? I have sold, see here, I've sold these options. I've sold these options based on data, right? And I have created a contra trade, so you can see that as well. But this one is pure selling of options out of the sold 34,700 call option. I'm assuming market to be, by 19th of 12th of May, it should go down till that point, and I should be able to make good money out of it. So with this, I'm signing off. Hope to see you in the live market on my Telegram channel. All the best. Bye bye. Take care.